Challenges for youth. There are a number of challenges that the youth has to face. For example, getting education and exhibiting excellence in education. बच्चों को अच्छे ग्रेड लेने हैं और बहुत अच्छे ग्रेड्स लेने हैं. Acquiring skills for professional growth. Skills that can lead to entrepreneurship. Seeking employment. Establishing entrepreneurship and seeking opportunities for loans and financing for setting up personal enterprise or business. Attaining and maintaining health and fitness according to prevalent norms. Ensuring political participation for contributing to the progress of the country. Attaining international exposure and experience through education or business. Being health educated in order to stay safe from diseases like HIV, AIDS, and to avoid substance abuse, and to be able to plan their families in future. So these are all the challenges for which the youth has to be prepared, to be educated, and to be learning skills, training, and the ways in which they can excel in future.